What's up, y'all? We're back here today doing a brake job on the Nissan Sentra. This is a quick job, just changing out the pads. It's pretty simple. You could do it. It's don't waste your money taking to a shop, them charging you whatever they charge, but it's real simple. First off, what we're gonna do here on the brakes, jack up the car. I got it on stands right now. The other side is jacked up because I got the other wheel off also. So what you're gonna do, come around on the bottom side here. Right here there's a screw. It's a 14 millimeter. You're gonna take that out. Then this caliper here just slides right up. As you can see, I already took my pads off. They're out. I got them out, so I got the new ones now. First, then you're gonna go up top here to the brake reservoir here. Just gonna put something over it here. Take this out. Just put this here to catch any overflow. And what we want to do here, we're gonna have to compress this because the old pads wore, so this came out. So we need to compress this in order to fit the new pads in. So what I'm gonna do is take care of that now. Alright, so we got a C-clamp here. I got a little metal bar. You can use the old brake pads or whatever. Just put it here. You're gonna clip in here and tighten this up just so you can compress this here. So tighten that up. Alright, now that we got that compressed, you can see up top here, fluid came up a little more. Now we're going to grab the pads and put them in. So we got our new pads, okay, and you can see this here goes to the top. You can change these out here. These are pretty new, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave them. And it just pops right in. Alright. Now, got the other one for the back side. Those are for the other side. So we got the new pad. Just drops right in, see right there, and just pops right in. Goes. All right, now that we're in, we can slide this down and you'll see it goes right over. Perfect. All right, locked right back into place. Now come back. I'm gonna put a screw back in here. Just tighten it up. That's it. Brakes are done. Pretty simple. It's not too hard. Again, you can see your bleeder on the Sentra. If you're gonna bleed your brakes, it's right here. You just pop this off and there's a little nipple there. But right here is the screw you're gonna take off to get to your brakes. Pop that off. This flips open. Take out your old pads, put your new pads in. You're good to go. All set. Will be good to clean them before you put your new pads in. I already did all that, so that's why you didn't see me clean them, but it's good to clean them before you put your new pads in. That's all. All right, so that's it. Pretty simple, not too hard. Shouldn't take you long to do. The longest thing is getting everything prepped, and that's about it. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.